Why are smart smoke alarms with Wi-Fi good for senior homes? Have you ever wondered how technology can make a home safer for seniors? Smart smoke alarms with Wi-Fi are a fantastic solution. Let's break down why they are particularly beneficial for senior living environments. First, these alarms send real-time alerts straight to smartphones or tablets. This means that seniors or their caregivers can receive notifications about smoke or fire hazards, even if they are not at home. For seniors who may have slower reaction times or mobility challenges, this instant notification can make a big difference. It allows for a quicker response, which can help prevent injury or worse. Next, smart smoke alarms often feature voice alerts and clear spoken warnings. This is especially helpful for seniors who might struggle to hear loud beeping sounds from traditional alarms. The spoken alerts are easier to understand, helping seniors recognize danger more quickly. Another great aspect is the Wi-Fi connectivity. This allows smart smoke alarms to connect with other safety devices in the home, like carbon monoxide detectors and security cameras. This creates a safety network that can be monitored remotely. It provides peace of mind for both seniors and their families, knowing that everything is working together for their safety. Additionally, these alarms come with long-lasting, sealed-in backup batteries. This feature ensures that the alarms continue to work during power outages. Seniors do not have to worry about changing batteries frequently, which reduces maintenance tasks that can be challenging for them. Managing and testing these alarms is also simplified. Through smartphone applications, caregivers can check the status of the alarms without needing to climb ladders or reach high places. This makes routine safety checks much easier. In practical terms, smart smoke alarms with Wi-Fi enhance home safety by providing immediate alerts to seniors and caregivers, even when caregivers are not physically present. They offer clearer warnings tailored to seniors' needs and reduce the need for manual maintenance through long-life batteries and remote monitoring. These alarms integrate with other home safety technologies, ensuring a coordinated response to any emergencies. They help seniors maintain independence while ensuring they have reliable fire protection. Overall, these features work together to create a safer and more comfortable living environment for seniors. Smart smoke alarms with Wi-Fi align perfectly with the goal of enabling aging in place with effective safety solutions.